Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi. Today we are just doing a super quick video. It's going to actually be our last Christmas themed set of the year. And so what I'm doing is just using some of the red from the MEFA Perfect 20 collection and doing a coat. Actually, we're going to do 2 coats on 4 of the nails, but I really only show doing these 2 nails right here. I don't really show you the rest. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add another coat to this one. And you're just going to smooth it out really nice. And then I'm going to take some green and place some dots in a triangle pattern. Sorry. And then I'm going to add some gold ones as well. And then we're going to do a drag marble Christmas tree. And of course the green represents the tree and the gold represents like a garland or the decorations that are on the tree. And so we're just going to drag through it real quick. Honestly, I feel like I wish I had stopped right here. But I go one more time, and I still like it, but not quite as much. I wish I had stopped. Now, I did paint one of the nails white, and this is the second coat right here. And what we're going to do is another drag marble technique with red and green to make a little wreath. And so we're going to create a little circle with the dots. That one dot got a little big, but that's okay because you swirl it all together anyway. And then we add some of the green, and then we're just going to make little swirls in a circle, circles in a circle, and then we're going to cure that. Now on top of the Christmas tree, we're just going to put 1 dot of white, and that is to mimic a star. I do actually want to apologize. The angles on this video are off because I did not record it correctly. I did not have it in landscape, so I had to flip it when I was doing the editing, and so things did not come out exactly the way they should have. Now I'm just adding a few spots of gold. I'm sorry I dipped out of frame there a little bit, but again, that's mostly because I did not have the camera set up correctly. I am so sorry. Now on this one, I'm just mimicking a bow for a package. And it's somewhat off camera here in just a second when we do the bottoms. So I'm super sorry about that, you guys. This was just totally a big mistake on my part, so oops. Now on these 2 nails, what I did was top coat them, and now I'm just gonna add some chrome pigments on top of that to make them a shiny, silvery red. And then we're gonna top coat all of them, and that will be a nice cheery little Christmas set. I absolutely love this set. I wish I had done a better job on the filming, so I do apologize for that. That actually kind of sucks. Yeah, when I look back at me starting the camera, I remember that I didn't check and make sure my orientation was correct. And this is probably not the cutest Christmas set you're ever gonna see in the world, but I actually really think it's kind of cute. I'm not upset with it. And honestly, I think it'll be one of our recreation Christmas sets for next year. So definitely be sure you're subscribed so next year you are here for the recreation sets. I can't wait to do some of those. I'm not sure what I'm doing here, honestly. Interesting. That was interesting. Okay, so there was a mystery, a little mystery that will never be solved. Oh, I know what it was. I saw something on the nail, and so I wiped it off, and I did not, I had meant to cut that out, and I didn't. So, mystery solved. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this set. I hope that you have a fabulous Christmas. I don't know what tomorrow's set is going to be. I'm about to work on that right now, but I hope you enjoy that one as well. I hope you have the best holiday, no matter what holiday you are celebrating. And here we go. We have our weird little Christmas tree, our cute little wreath, a package, and just some shiny, shiny nails. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.